Our topic is all about why statistics is important.
Statistics, a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation to the masses of the numerical data.
Why statistics is important? Statistics is important because it helps us to make sense of the world, cut through uncertainty, and make better decisions. For me, it's deeply personal because it touches almost every aspect of my life, often in ways I don't even realize.
Take personal finance. For example, without understanding basic statistics, I could fall for misleading investment claims, interest rates, or fail to recognize long-term trends in the economy.
But with personal statistic thinking, I can evaluate risk, make informed choices, and avoid common financial pitfalls. I don't have to rely on luck. I can rely on data.
Health is another big area where a statistic plays a personal role. When I hear about a new medical study or a miracle cure, I don't just accept the claim.
I ask, what's the sample size? What's the margin of error? Are there confounding factors? Knowing how to interpret that data helps me make informed decisions about my well-being instead of being swayed by fear or hype.
Even in everyday life, statistic is everywhere. When I click the weather, I'm not just looking at random guess. Meteorologists use probability models to predict rain or temperature change. When I track my fitness progress, I analyze trends in my workouts to see what's working. Even something as simple as choosing the fastest checkout line at a grocery store is a form of statistical thinking based on past experiences. I estimate which line will move quicker.
Beyond just personal decision-making, statistics helps me see the bigger picture. In a world full of misinformation, statistical literacy gives me a filter. I don't have to take every claim at face. I can evaluate evidence, recognize patterns, and think critically. This skill is invaluable, especially in an era where data is constantly being used to persuade, manipulate, and mislead.
Statistics is just about numbers. It's about understanding the world more clearly, making smarter choices, and navigating life with confidence. For me, that make is one of the most valuable tools I have.